and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, I received an email in my inbox yesterday asking a very specific question from someone who is interested in learning more about Builderall, which is the all-in-one digital marketing platform that I use to build my business. So the question was, do people actually make money because they're using Builderall? And I thought that was a very interesting question because as a top affiliate, some people tend to think that people only make money promoting the affiliate program, but at least for me personally, nothing could be further from the truth. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to share with you 3 ways that I personally make money with Builderall. And number 3 is so shocking that a lot of people don't really emphasize how important this 3rd way to make money with Builderall is. So if you've been looking into the Builderall affiliate program, or you have been looking to use Builderall as a way to build your business online, then stay tuned because I am going to share with you my personal experience from someone who walks their walk and talks their talk and uses a Builderall affiliate program to earn an income and uses Builderall to sell my own products and build my business online. If you want to know the 3 ways I earn money online with Builderall, then keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright guys and gals, well, before I get started, right, I have got to start with a disclaimer. And when I responded to this email that I received in my inbox, that's the very first thing that I did as well. See, I'm not going to sit here and promise you that you're going to make money with the Builderall affiliate program. I'm also not going to promise you that you are going to make money if you use the Builderall tools to grow your business. Making money online is up to one person and one person alone, and the responsibility falls back on the user, which is you. I could give a person the blueprint. I could give the person my exact funnels. I could give a person step-by-step training, and you'll have a person that will come in, they will take all the training, they will marinate over everything, and they will get distracted the first moment that a shiny object appears in their path, and they won't do anything with it. And then I also have people that come in, plug in, watch videos, download their share funnels, and start promoting right away. And then I've got some people that are kind of in between. The bottom line is, it has to do with your ability to plug in your skill set, your desire, your focus level, and all that stuff. And I know a lot of people don't like to hear this, and a lot of gurus will sell you on the easy street where, hey, come in and you can make all this money. And it's not like that at all. If you're okay with rolling up your sleeves and getting to work, then let's really talk about building a solid business online, because that is what it takes. And I'm not afraid to say that because it is the absolute truth. Anyone who sells you on the idea of making, $10,000 in a week probably already has an audience, probably already has a list, probably has all their marketing puzzle pieces in place, and it's not going to be as easy for someone who does not have an audience, who does not have a list or anything like that. Okay, not to say that someone who is new can't get great results, but it's also going to be in proportion to the kind of audience you have, the list you have, your marketing skills, all that stuff. Okay, so now that that disclaimer is out of the way, I want to share with you the 3 ways that I personally make money with Builderall. Now, before I discovered Builderall, I was a struggling web designer. I had my own little teeny tiny web agency where I would provide services for clients who needed lead converting websites, right? So a client would come to me, I would build a website. I had the marketing background because I'd been trying to break through in affiliate marketing for many years. And so I took what I knew as far as affiliate marketing goes, and I started to kind of like hybrid that into my web design services, and I went from building just regular websites to lead converting websites. And I have several clients that I worked with that after I launched their websites, they started generating leads, they started making sales because I started building tripwires into their projects. And so I've got so many testimonials under my belt about those things. But the problem was I wasn't doing it for myself. I really wasn't doing it for myself. I was working more for other clients, and I was like, wait a minute, I've got all this knowledge, I've got all this understanding, I've got all this talent for design and lead conversion and copywriting, and I'm doing this for other clients, but man, I could be doing this for myself, right? And then a hurricane hit, and that really woke me up to how financially vulnerable we were because I wasn't creating any passive residual income. So fast forward a few months, and I discovered Builderall, and it was the perfect fit for me because I already had that background in lead converting web design. I already knew how to build funnels. I already had a decent copywriting skill set. I already proved that I could help my clients make sales. I already proved that I could generate leads and build lead converting websites. So I was like, this is my opportunity to finally do this for myself. So because of that, I became a Builderall affiliate, and I started my business as a Builderall affiliate. So what you can learn from that is that affiliate marketing is the gateway to do what you ultimately want to do, which is you ultimately want to sell your own products, right? So the first way I make money with Builderall is through their affiliate program. So I knew going into their affiliate program that I was basically going to do a lot of the same things that I was doing for my clients, but I was going to do it on a much bigger level, on a much more leveraged level, and a much more optimized level, because I could take that skill set and build funnels and build things that I could use to attract people into my team and empower them with these tools and resources so they can go out there and build their businesses. So I have share funnels. I just launched a premium profit funnel, which I will talk about more in another video. But after 2 years of being with Builderall and really working hard and building a team, I was able to earn 6 figures with Builderall, which is an absolute blessing. It's something I never was even able to do with my own business. So for me, the affiliate program was the first way that I earned money, and it was the gateway to do the second thing. The second way that I make money with Builderall is selling my own digital products. Now, if you're a web designer, or if you are somebody that knows how to build funnels, listen to me closely, because you are leaving money on the table, okay? And I'm going to encourage you, and I'm going to hopefully motivate you off the ledge, okay, to start doing this in your business so that you can start creating extra cash flow, especially if you are good with building websites, building funnels, and stuff like that. Now, I have to tell you a quick story, because long time ago, I'm talking about like 2008, 2009, 2010, I was already starting to learn about affiliate marketing. And one of my very first mentors' name was, and still is, Dagan Smith. I ran into Dagan because he branded himself as the king of never calling a single lead. And that would be me. If he's the king of never calling a single lead, I would be the queen of never calling a single lead, because I don't like the phone. I'm more of an introvert. I rather spend hours building funnels that bring people to me than pick up the phone and try to sell people. It's just not my thing. So when he branded himself as the king of never calling a single lead, I'm like, I am so about that. I don't even know how in the world I ended up on the phone with him and another friend. So when we were on that call with Dagan, he was trying to think, as our coach, he was trying to figure out, okay, how can I get these girls who build blogs to create maximum leverage? Because I was stuck. I was a web designer. I couldn't create leverage unless I built an agency, and I didn't want to do that. But I wasn't a WordPress coder, so I couldn't build like a theme from scratch and sell it to people. But Builderall makes it so simple, because we have the share funnel ability. So If you want to earn some extra income, you could literally build simple funnels, simple lead capture pages, and start selling them as your own digital product. Okay, so that's something that I started doing, and it's worked out beautifully, and I've been earning more cash in my business because I am leveraging my ability to build funnels and build websites inside of Builderall, and then selling those templates to people who want to cut down their design time, or who, they like the template. The templates are built to sell products. So I've been doing that, and I've been creating cash flow selling my own templates, and I've been also selling my own digital courses. As a matter of fact, I have a tripwire course in a funnel that to this date, I've sold over 100 of them using my Builderall checkout system. So that is the second way that I earn income with Builderall, by selling my own digital products, both funnels and digital marketing products. And the third way, which is super shocking, and a lot of people don't realize that this is a third way to make lots of money with Builderall, and it is by slashing my marketing bills to virtually nothing. Before I discovered Builderall, I was paying for multiple tools at the end of the month, and I was like at $300 to $400 per month in marketing expenses, and I couldn't even get a profitable funnel off the ground. So once I discovered Builderall, I pay an extremely affordable price, and I have virtually all the tools that I need to build my digital marketing business online, and I don't have to worry about paying 5, 6, 7 different bills. And depending on what stage of your business you're at, you might be in the stage where I'm at right now, where you are focusing on course creation and you want to create your own courses. So guess what? You are going to need to create ebook covers and funnels, and you need a website, you're going to need an e-learning center, and all these things add up. So because Builderall has been such an affordable solution that's helped me cut down my marketing expenses, they have helped me increase my profits exponentially, because I don't have to use a ton of other tools just to get a few tasks done. So those are the 3 ways that I leverage Builderall to make money online. And if you want to learn more about Builderall, whether you want to learn about the affiliate program or how to use our products to build your business, or you want to slash your marketing expenses to virtually nothing, okay, in comparison to what you would pay outside of Builderall, and you want to increase your profits significantly, then I have a full-on presentation that goes into way more detail about how you can start earning an income with Builderall, again, through our affiliate program, or using it as a tool to build your business. So I will go ahead and link that for you right below the description box under this video, and I will also have that link right for you across the screen. It is a presentation funnel that I built for my team, and you'll also learn all the bonuses that you'll receive when you activate a premium plan. When you partner with my specific team, which is Team Rise, we have a super fast growing team of entrepreneurs all over the world who all do different things. It's so exciting. I've got an acupuncturist on my team. I have a world-class piano player on my team. I've got moms. I've got people all over the world on my team who are using Builderall to leverage their gifts, strengths, and talents to create an income online. And I pray that you can achieve that same thing inside of Builderall, locking arms with our team Rise. So again, I will have that linked right below for you in the video description box below. So anyway, hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.